This video is sponsored by LinerX, a family-owned company dedicated to quality, durability, and longevity to protect your vehicle's interior. www.linerx.com. Hey guys, welcome back to Ed's Garage. Today I want to try out some new mats that I got in for the Ioniq 6. Oh, by the way, this is Basil. He really wanted to be on my shoulders. So welcome to my tool room. But anyway, got these mats in today. It was very, very exciting because I've been waiting for these for a while. They're from a company called LinerX. And they're right here in this box. So we'll start by opening up the box and we'll see what we get. And that's probably why he's so excited, actually. Another box to play with. But let's see what we got here. So LinerX, unfortunately, is still not available in Canada. It is only available in the United States right now. So, what's that, Basil? All right, so here we go. Let's see how these look. Oh, yeah, they look pretty good. So as you can see, it's got the little latch points here. It's kind of a thick rubberized plastic kind of stuff. And as you can see, it wraps up really high on the edges to catch any spills. So next we'll throw them in the car and see how they fit compared to the stock carpet ones. Let's go do that. All right, so as we can see here, this is for the driver's side, and it's much, much bigger than the original factory one. So the only thing I'm noticing is that these are round. They're not slotted like these, so they're not going to kind of tie in as nicely, I don't think. Well, let's try it out. Yeah, I guess that works fine, actually. Kind of clips right in. That's a pretty good fit. It's not bad. Let's try the other ones. All right, as you can see, very, very good coverage on the passenger side as well. Definitely looks a lot nicer than just the straight-up carpet mats. All right. Kind of nice that this does go all the way across. Mind you, the factory stock carpet one does as well. There we go, a little bit of finagling to get it all the way into the corners. Oh wow, there's really good coverage on these ones. On this one, there is a bit of a gap right here, but I imagine when that heats up, it'll kind of fall into it because on that side it already is. So it looks like it just needs to get a little bit warm in the car for that to happen. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right, well, there you have it. Just a short little video. Just have a quick look at these LinerX mats. I think they fit pretty nicely. And they're really, really good value, actually. So if you check out www.linerx.com, so that's just LinerX, no hyphens or anything like that, .com, go to their page, put in your make, model, and year, and it'll show you exactly what they carry. Those mats for front and back, only $160 US, $159.99. And they've also got a cargo tray, same material, same shape, same look, not same shape, but you get the idea, for only $89.99. So I think it's a really, really great value. And honestly, they compare very nicely to other companies that make the same sorts of things. But in any case, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And stay tuned for future videos about the Ioniq 6 and future videos about reviews for accessories and whatnot for the Ioniq 6 as I get them. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.